This is a video series about managing a political campaign. I want to touch on the use of free media, earned media, community media, and how your campaign can very much make use of it. Talk radio, be it good or bad, has become a huge dynamic in all political campaigns in this country. Your responsibility as one managing or running a campaign is to make use of that talk radio to get the word out for free. And it's something that can be done by carefully analyzing your stations and seeing where you can get in, and actually, yes, having people call that talk radio if necessary and get the word about your candidate or your issue out to the population. The other way, of course, is by using community media, community radio in particular. I happen to be a great fan of using community radio. I think it's our community airwaves, and we need to make use of them. Many communities, many cities around the country have community radios. I strongly urge you to investigate them, introduce yourself to the community radio folks, their news departments, their public affairs departments, and essentially help them develop stories based on your issue or your candidate. It may not be all the whiz-bang that you'll find in commercial radio, but it is going to be media that reaches people directly, and that's what this is all about. The next segment, I'm going to touch on the need for printing and how you might make use of printers in your area to, again, get the word out about your campaign. Thanks.